Hey everyone, welcome to a new tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make a simple sleeveless vest for beginners in size small. But on my website you can find the free written pattern for sizes S up to 5XL. If you want to make a longer version, you can find a free pattern and video tutorial on my blog and YouTube channel. I will put the link in the description below. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button. This way you will get notifications when I upload new free patterns. For this pattern you will need Scarfie yarn and crochet hook size 10mm. Start with chaining 76. In row 1 we will start in the 4th chain from the hook and we will work 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet. Then repeat the following till the end. Skip 2 chains and work 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet in the next chain. In row 2 till 8 you will chain 3 and work 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet in each chain space across. Turn your work at the end of each row. In row 9 we chain 3 and work 1 double crochet stitch, chain 2, 1 double crochet stitch in the next 13 chain spaces. Then we chain 39 and turn our work. In row 10 we will start in the 4th chain from the hook and we work 1 double crochet stitch, chain 2, 1 double crochet stitch. Then we skip 2 chains and work 1 double crochet stitch, chain 2, 1 double crochet stitch in the next chain. Repeat this till the end of the chains. Then skip the last 2 chains and work 1 double crochet stitch, chain 2, 1 double crochet stitch in each chain space across. In row 11 till 17 we chain 3 and work 1 double crochet stitch, chain 2, 1 double crochet in each chain space across. Now fold your panels to the other side and match the side seams. Sew both sides together with needle and thread. Begin at the bottom, working your way up and leaving 7 inches open for the armhole. Weave in all the ends and that's it. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. Please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which yarn and colors you are going to use. Hope to see you next time. Bye!